guys, and welcome to Vlogmas Day 9. I know that I said yesterday or in this morning's video that I was feeling better. Yeah, no. I don't know what's going on, but I don't feel good. Like, I just feel sick, and I'm just pathetic when I get sick because I don't get sick very often. So I don't know what it is, but I thought I wanted to make myself and Brandon, a quick, healthy, nutritious dinner for tonight. And so that is what I wanted to share with you guys. I'm gonna do some filming of cooking the meal and preparing the meal and getting it ready. But I just wanted to say hi, let you guys know that, yeah, I don't know what's going on, just not feeling so great. But best thing that you can do for when you're not feeling great is to make some nutritious food. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's get started with dinner. For your ingredients, you'll need 2 salmon fillets, about 2 cups of Brussels sprouts, a big bunch of broccolini, some rosemary, lemon, butter, some mixed potatoes, some cherry tomatoes, garlic, olive oil, and salt and pepper.